I was there this afternoon around 5, and Long John sent me video talking about it. He said, "Oh, Papa, what you said I've come to my." I said, "What?" He said, "The Pope, they have chosen a white Pope." I said, "Are you sure?" They sent me the video. Listen, when did I last week Thursday. Eric today. And I may say, I was said Bibini Nebedi, but Omon Famano, right? Now the Omon de Bamano Kawon Kamo, Ombaye Kululu Nadiamano, right? Now over 3 years to 4 years to live. Eh, Semi Yamidi for a promotion tour. Pope, eh? The Omon de Pope Namano. So what tonight we are saying more than 4 years, Menya Prophet Uche. Write it somewhere. Write it somewhere.
Hello, Abusha, ladies and gentlemen. I want to believe that by the grace of Jesus Christ, everybody is well. Video from Prophet Uche. Meaning, say, viral. Probably you might have heard it. The Okan say, Pope na yayinu sesiano enya de se obetimi atena se ewo enkom beyond 4 years nanka Blackman ena sese nka omode mano ena omu amfa mano na de omudi amano no enya de se obetena se ewo enkom beyond 4 years na se amanisa na onye Prophet Uche na so before me Prophet Uche the full prophecy no video no ede amaye no me pese yeni kan kohe some few SFCB about this new pope yeyine no emsamanfo bebre enche de nimo no nti I chance on a video bia na a little bit of history and our background about this new pope yeyine no Pope Leo nti muma yenkohe that video no and then after that me de near Prophet Uche enso kan no media no so ebebrem. Now, if today is your first time coming on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment, and if possible, share to Afrifa-Mensah. Now, together. Thank you very much.
8 things that you need to know about the new Pope, Pope Leo XIV. 1. He's from Chicago, born in 1955, and is the first American Pope in the history of the Catholic Church. 2. He spent over 2 decades as a missionary in Peru and became a naturalized citizen, deeply connected to Latin America. 3. He holds a bachelor's degree from Villanova University, a master's from the Catholic Theological Union, and a doctorate in canon law from the Pontifical University of St. Thomas Aquinas. 4. From 2001 to 2013, he led the Augustinian order, overseeing missions in nearly 50 countries. 5. In 2023, he became head of the Vatican's office, responsible for selecting bishops worldwide. 6. He's an advocate for synodality, supporting a church that listens, walks together, and embraces diversity. 7. Theologically, he's a centrist, progressive on social issues, but traditional on doctrinal matters. 8. He speaks 8 languages and brings a global perspective to his role.
This just in, we have white smoke coming out of the Sistine Chapel. This means that we have a new pope. It is the 3rd vote that's been taken. This is quite frequent timing. This is day 2 of the new pope. We've been waiting for this vote, white smoke, any moment. We'll see if this pope comes from the conservative wing of the party, the progressive wing, or is one of those consensus candidates. We know that the pope has 3 outfits, 1 of each size, so he will have something that he fits in. In about 40 minutes from now, we will hear those words ring out that a new pope has been chosen, and we will see who that pope is come out live on the balcony. Harris, we've been waiting for this moment. You've been covering it for the last 2 days.
So I want to talk a little bit about what comes next. So it takes them about 40 minutes before they will let us know, sometimes a little bit longer than that.
To have the Monsignor explain what we're going to hear right now, a new pontiff about to be announced.
We are going to see Cardinal Momberti, a French cardinal, come out and say to us, I announce to you, can you tell who great news, good news,
It is
Habemus Papam.
Annuncio vobis gaudium magnum. Habemus papam. Eminentissimum, ac reverendissimum Dominum, Dominum Robertum Franciscum, Sancte Romane Ecclesiae, Cardinalem Prevost, qui sibi nomen imposuit Leonem XIV.
This is stunning. It is an American, Monsignor.
Again, a great surprise. An American, the prefect of the Congregation of Bishops, who born in Chicago, an Augustinian from a religious order, but moved to Peru as a missionary, and an amazing surprise for the church and the world.
A moderate.
In the run-up to all of this. But of course, you're right. For a long time, the idea was you can never have an American pope because you can't have a superpower pope. But you know, the world has changed in the 21st century. America's no...
Exactly, because he has worked here at the Office of Bishops. That is a vital point. He has pastoral experience in Peru, and he has worked here at the Vatican. That has surely been very decisive.
So the imagery of all those cardinals there smiling and looking...
Well, I can see Cardinal Wuerl there.
Formerly the Archbishop of Washington. You've got to figure he's an excited man right now.
Oh, I think...
Well, now you're about to find out.
Oh, my gosh.
Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost has chosen the name Pope Leo XIV.
La pace sia con tutti voi.
Abusuafoɔ nti videos ni bi ɛna mema mo hwɛɛ no on say when they are about to select a pope now they go through a lot of rituals and rituals no akoba say the oye American and omudi ebema no na according to Prophet Uche no or say asesenka Blackman and asesenka omudi mano eye Ghanaian oye Blackman asesenka omudi mano na isan say omo amfa mano na omo awiam dia akoma American no anyade se obetena se ewo nkwam abro 4 years nti mo yenkotie prophecy na odemaye no and then I will be back.
Listen, let me say this today. I was there this afternoon around 5 and Long John sent me video talking about it. He said, "Oh, Papa, what you said I've come to buy." I said, "What?" He said, "The Pope, they have chosen a white Pope." I said, "Eh. Are you sure?" Then he sent me the video. Listen, when did I last week Thursday. Eric today. And I may say, I was set bibini nebedi, but omon fama no, right? Now the omodi be man ka won ka ho. Ombeye kululu na dia mano, right? Now over 3 years to 4 years to live. Say me nyame di fu awe mo pa mo nchonto. Pope the omodi pope na mano no. So what now we are say more than 4 years menye Prophet Uche. Write it somewhere. The omodi pope na mano neno. Say odi more than 4 years of Vatican. Because listen. It's tonight. Long John sent me the list of nipa 3 and I was like, "Come two almost about." He was not part of them, right? I'm going to say them so many kululu are picky will be there. The same thing there. I'm telling you. Write it somewhere. My name is Uche. Write it somewhere. And some friend. Okay. Now, Pope Akonanu Sunsumu. Man, who say in Tokwa air conwa Konano? Na Akonano Nipa was a Modi Akonano man, among from money. Ghana Nina, I also the Akonano. Man, who say among Fakonana man, not the Bessini. Say Oman Fakonana Mabibinia. Brony nom the basis 3 years from now. 3 years from now. If I'm a prophet of God, 3 years from now. 3 years. Another pope will die. 3 years. See, there are secrets. Be a war. Vatican. Emre Drusel akunane be yet bibinidia. Na abrofono atenase. I want to say, ya diakonya ma sa bibini na. Eniema oma blindfolded ye ache ye nimu no. Ya be enlighten ye. Ama ye hu. Into oma ye oma dwene say. Omo beto ababi. Na abada omo beto no. They will vote against the black person. But listen to this. I'm a prophet of God. Listen to this. Yesterday night, an angel came to me, sat me down, and showed me mysteries about this Vatican. Said a lot to me, and said to me, my son, if they change it, and they offer money per 3 years. I make a revenue. My son come waha 10 years, 5 years, it come to pass. Me see 3 years. Ni pa ya dene beto seat in so no obewu. Obey. Obewu because of SEC or SEC blacks. Oh dear, making say ya na bisi. They making say ya. Nyame asem ndi ntroda. Sa na bisi. Oh dear yen chronto. Sa ya ani ya ka asem mu di atem. Ana we nkwasiafo bi sa be di matem. Omu ndi matem. that odi amunhwe ni bisi me se munhwe de be dey e ma mon kasa sa ha ya na me ka 35 say pope be wudi sia no wawu sa me kan yesi okay mon kama ntomo ye odi e omun sisia before sa na ubehu ani ebisi
enti abusiafo senia mo tie no de na opeso chenya ne se wosen komode ma Blackman e no ma mfa ma Blackman ana omudi akoma we no omudi ama no nti no e ma no ntimi entena se beyond 4 years but I don't know say Blackman no na e qualify enti na omo amfa ma no ana se na unqualify ana se bibi etisa because me ya Ghanaian but I am living in Canada right now na me hear most of the TV stations are Ghana na omu yi the probable obia ombetimi a selecting as popa na me hwe omulation na metimi ho Blackman ewom but se na me hwe CNN ene me fan say Al Jazeera ene BBC no mu enso de na me hu any Blackman bia on their list na we know I realize before no mum na omu yes esesenka black na die esesenka black na die but na most of the international networks no CNN BBC mo near de no na omu no de se na omu ma the possible choices are omu was ye be select pope e de free mu na me hwe edi no ene amonfo na omu a present omu na me shade who blacks ewom nti no ema won say na Africans no nko na e ka say black na die but abrofo no eni so no de na eni kwasa black na die nti no I don't know how true this is eja ono na yo d4 ena ono na ehunu nti no how do we challenge him nti no videos bi say no ena say we see no nti o say 3-4 years time nti 4 years time 2029 mu ho na say pope yida so tiasia na bia wo asembisa bi ebebisa na wabisa o say emro 4 years meaning say mathematically no eni kwa say 2030 etimito no so no eni kwa say 2030 etimito no nti by 2030 no da so tiasia we will all have something to say nti no videos be say ba na was save it anyways yeah, me person me di betchere mo no. If today is your first time coming on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comments. If possible, so I share my foforo na ye nyina intimi sua dey together. I know you will do it, so I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
And I say, and was said bibini ne bedi, but omon fama no, right? Na di omo de be man ka won ka ho. Ombeye kululu na diamano, right? Now, over 3 years to 4 years to live. Say me na me di kwa me for mo church. Pope, the Pope na mano. So what now we are more than 4 years. Me nye Prophet Uche. Write it somewhere. Write it somewhere.